Do you know how to level up your rebounding fitness workout in 2025? Add weights. Yes, start with light ones and then move up. But today's video, we have about 7 steps and we're going to be using the weight. So come on and join me. Let's go. Start with stepping side to side. And you know, I always say, engage the core, relax the shoulders, and stand up straight. We want good posture. Just warming up those legs. Now, as you step side to side, do a bicep curl. Can you do it? It's like chewing gum and walking. Here we go. Squeeze that bicep. Got a little peppy music today. Go to number 2, half jack. Ready? Get the feet going. Out, in. And now add the arms. Lateral raise. Start with 1-pound weights at first, and then gradually go up to 2, 3, 5s, 8s if you like, 10s. I wouldn't go more than 10 though on the trampoline until you're experienced. We are working cardiovascular system, getting the heart rate up a little bit, flushing out the lymphatic system. All right, good. All right, next one, we're gonna go knees up, or you could just do knees up like this. But if you wanna add a bounce, feel free to add a bounce, okay? And then we're gonna hold our arms up above our head. So, give me a second. Here we go. Okay, knees up. Hold your arms above your head. Anytime you have your arms above your head, you're really raising the heart rate. Then you're going to go knees to the side with a pull down. Working the waist, obliques. Try to say that together. Your arms. Good. Now, we're going to do it. Heel toe, one leg, one curl. So opposite leg, opposite arm, heel toe. Working the leg you're standing on, keeping soft knee. Let's try the other one. Heel toe, and bicep curl. Takes a little balance and coordination. All right. Now we're going to do some squats with shoulder press, overhead press. Ready? Squat, press. Tighten the core, tighten the glutes as you come up. Push the hips back. Getting stronger in 2025. Good. All right. Tricep kick back. Keep your arm close to your side. Just a soft bounce. Squeeze in that tricep. Okay, don't lose your balance, Cheryl. Squeeze. Switch to the other side. Good. Are you starting to sweat now? All right, you're going to step off carefully. Set those down. You're going to step up like this. Step up, kick, squat, kick, squat, kick, and squat. So we added weights or dumbbells. Now going into intervals, kick and squat, kick, squat, and you're pushing back. Walk to the other side. Be careful if you have anything in your way. Gotta go a little bit this way. Here we go. Step up, kick, and squat. This side to me is a little harder. I don't know about you. All right, back around, step back up. Now kicks to the front on the trampoline. Take a little breather. Anytime you need to get water, I forgot my water. All right, you can do walk if you want, or you can do kicks. Kick, low kicks, athletic arms. Now, knees and sprint. Good. Shift side to side. Shake it out. All right, step off, turn this down. Okay, just do a little stretch. Breathe in and breathe out. Again, breathe in and breathe out. And thanks for joining me. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share, and comment below on what you want to learn or if this was new to you. I also want to know if you're a new subscriber. See you next time. Bye.